Kuliah di bibro te akan ke video tentang batai ya kipus kibere jong kynthei female category. I will explain about the female category post. Okay, how many candidates are coming and how many pass or how many posts I will explain properly both in Khasi and English mah. Dengan batai lang bat Khasi bat parang mat kidon ba mustu Khasi ru te ngene ban batai tang ju kynthei nomor ba kisendang ada batai. Okay, to pa batai lang haju naduk AB, UB, UBSI bat ka MPR rumah. AB from Shillong, Shillong gidon kumba siajar lais pasan pesan bawa qualify ke bato one to exam qualify exam ngumut mo bapep bat patti be katai bapep ni buwan ru tambang ini di qualify exam siajar lais pasan pesan from Garo region there are 713 candidates qualify for AB. So the post for AB ke post kalong lais pa apply post te nam tai kynthei ka dei 10% no kan yang adap khen kan dei 10%. So 10% of 383 ka dei live propose. So it's live propose. And then open category ka dei khatsan percent open category long san punyo nomor bah open category don kas don AA kun thup lang bai kat ki bala ban yo ki ba yo he tekin hab ya bok open category tak mut lada phi la ban le bha mut phin poi be open category lada phim poi hang nek mut ba phin ya compete nik lai phangut tang ki kynthei sudah lai phangut mut te mut ba lada phi yo he phin poi sha kan category lada phi yo he phin compete tang ki pra kynthei kalong kat ne te kan ne mo te bai hang ne ngada page from Shillong the excellent candidate kalong khat lai ngut de ki ba yo aspa arsan tu phin ngut ki ba yo aspa kalong aspa lai phangut from Garo Hill excellent candidate only one who scored 225 marks 10 candidate who scored 200 marks is 72 candidate. Okay, so pa yang nama kan ne ka de maximum mo ke bala qualify mo ba la cross se kala ispa mo la tikna you are already qualified for the interview the minimum go wang asim ba kedai 8% pho beleng asim 8% pho mar pa tang kine khalai ngut la yel 8% pho te ke exam kin yo ba chan pho một lai spa te ma ka minimum kan de 8% pho ne ngut ba la da hang ne ba la da ne kin score tang san pho la poil pa 8% pho so asim ba ka minimum kan de 8% pho kat kum ga jing don candidate mar ba kla da score pa ka spa plus ka exam ka de 6% pho 6% pho te kum ta gan te ada score ya ka 8% pho mo plus kumut ba there's a chance nam ta jong phi kynthei kadan ka chance nomor ba kaduna ka post te try can select tang kumba katno aspa la ne shispa tame te mut ba 8% pho is a chance te from Garo Hill only one excellent candidate 10 225 and 200 marks is 72. So if you score your marks is 300, so you already qualify your hope for the interview. And if you score 250 is the minimum, there is a hope for you. If less, then only if in different category, that's not. Then for others there's no hope. For Khasi and Jaintia category there is less hope if you score less than 250. But for Garo category, if you score maybe 200 also, there's still hope. Okay, so we'll know only after the result is out. Te nam ta UB pat UB ngakam page iki bayo excellent nomor ba kaman toy ben page tapi yang ne ka UB jogi kan po Shillong bawan to exam gidan kan mark nice pa nyo from Garo region there are 487 candidate. Okay, te ka UB post gudan aspa ru pra te 10% for female is 26 posts 26 number of posts for female 10% reservation but can go that 40.2 40 posts is for open category bala da fi habaka fi score hai highest mark then you'll be going to the open category nomor ba pin hab poilang bat kisendang ru aka open category ma te kan evda tang hapo ka kadon tang hapo UB mo kan ka women police constable ma the women police constable kadon khandai te la kan thuplang mo kan thuplang kapot katup lang ne la katup lang ne temut ba khnai tali de jong women police constable tem ne ndriu la katup lang from Garo Hill last year la syura na do arja kan ndriu mar ba menda post jong ga blue PC women constable ndriu post. Okay, MPRO na po Shillong dan South Pak New Pendrungut and from Garo Hill are 80 candidate. Okay, so okay UB forgot the na UB la da pila cross lies pa ngot ba la sure be te ka minimum ngabu ars pa mar ba ka exam ka exam tel da pila ban cross ars pa plus ngot ba there is hope if you score 200 plus there is hope. No, it depends on the category also. If your Garo category, then there are more chances. If your Khazinja category, there's less chances. If you score 200, it depends. And other tribe, and for other tribe, and I don't know because I don't know how many candidates are there, so I don't know of them. Okay, so MPRO, for MPRO, the mark as it is 100 plus 150. So if you score 200, you're already sure, and if you score the minimum I'll put is 150 ma ka bruna ka dai no 150 6% po ma ka chance baron hope don jikerman ma mala tip shoot ya ka number of post jong ki MPRO ka total ka dai arfoi te ka post jong for women is only 2 10 solution tang art ligi post kan mau tang art ligi post so maybe one Garo or more one khasi and for open category 3 posts open category, so you have to fight in only 5 posts de kini bi habe fight tak mut ba tang katukan yang got ki ban select na kynthei ma baron bakaduna post UBSI bade from Shillong candidate women candidate is 392 lies pak knife R Garo Hill she's pak knife Sau 194 from Garo region and again the number of posts is 41 so 10% reservation is 4 posts and 15 reservation for open category is 6 posts, so you have to fight for this post. If you want to score highest marks, you will go to the open category. Okay, so here also nomor ba kynthei te ngamla ban tip mla predict tang ba ngala de predict kalong ba ada ban keny ban u kalong ba ka minimum ka de ars pa sopho mar ka maximum te la tip hi lais pa plus te la already mla direct back te ka minimum kolong aspa sopho te la daki duna pada te contain mar kinla ka jong te there's a chance also tang ba nam tak sindang bat no chance ma tong ar khen e ki ki mak bat ki e bro mar ba contain ka de la ka jong te ngala pen khen la ka jong try pila su i ka tu hang ne ka ba sure bha kalong bai tang jong ka UB ma jong ka UB pila sure ma kini ki ba tang kini gitu ki ba yo spa nyup san hapo kala janjar bahan mar ba phape ka number of posts should be women's candidate like prak haban chim tang na kane ga women's candidate ma na kane 10% reserve ban select interview te should be live propose kan chim no tang maximum spa na 6% po te tang kini if mane plada pulha bala pila ban cross 8% po shanang ba ka don ka jingkermen ngamong ba kibadon sapok kim don jingkermen de kini don jingkermen nomor ba ki candidate lapai le baron nomor candidate kila ban duna kila ban nomor baro oh kita melawan tip dan nagi karo candidate pada melawan tip mono skur na ya kata melawan tip te directly nomor ni lai kopra tela da pia no samar siteng Garo an khati kan long no stang khat te king ta tangata tembut bakine tangine boyo excellent de la sure lupa ba excellent de san photing yo ben excellent but ne boyo aspa san te la dakile ha murla sure ben tang la dakila ba kine ba aspa ki yo no shispa ka exam de arong suk maki tangine gi jing pentip nam tai kynthei yang try la shai hi itu gi bom pat shai nam ta ki tang la batai ki number of post kan no tli post kadon ta jong ki ala batai ka max kamno ka minimum bar ka maximum ko ba fla sure bet minimum pada kron jengkerman mala la pipo to kitu ki mak ko ba pindon ga jengkerman ala jana po fla duna ga jengkerman tama mala ban tip te tang kitu ki jingbatai ki ba ngala da buat ngala wat jing tho ngala bu ki jing khen baro tengah try ka era bepi tangi nei baro ki bang la batai hang ne kermen ba kanyara pp ki ba don kam Thank you, bless you one.